Stop right here. If you think your washing machine is washing itself, think again. Gross. What about in here? Ugh, disgusting. All right, we're ready to start. Just look at that. Ugh, and inside too. Gross. Allow it to soak in some water with some fabulous fabuloso. Take a look at the grime inside the machine. Grab your husband's toothbrush and start scrubbing away. Yuck. Dry that off. Beautiful. All right, now we're gonna move to the bottom of the machine. Get ready to have some fun with me. Unscrew and watch the water flow. This is your drain pump. Screw back on, place inside, and now we're gonna clean out the yucky filter. Get ready for this one. Ugh, nasty. Take a look at the inside. Put all that in soaking water, scrub inside of there. Pat dry the area well. Keep scrubbing at it. Now you're going to reach for your most typical child's toothbrush. Scrub away, find some yucky stuff, clean the top of your machine, and the front of your machine, and voila! Take a look at that gross water. Now place all the parts back in. Nice! But wait, there's more. Try using one of these all-fresh tablets to finish off the cleansing process of your machine. Subscribe for more.